What's up guys, Meg here from AVO. I'm at AVO Jax right now in Jacksonville, Florida, and I wanted to introduce you guys to our general manager here at AVO Jax.
Hey guys, Tyler, new GM here down here at AVO Jax. Follow us inside for a tour of the shop. All right guys, follow me inside. We'll check out the showroom and everything we got in here. All right guys, when you walk in the shop, we got a couple of things on display, the Baja Designs, stuff from AEV, Powerbrakes. Here we have the Contour canopy with the LT50 on there. On the back wall, we have some recovery gear, some Ohlins EMU suspension, stuff from Garmin, ARB, twin compressors, single compressors, pump up kits, and the winches. All right guys, like I said, you got the Contour canopy with the LT50 Alu-Cab stuff here. You come check it out, see it in person. I know a lot of people like myself like to see these things before they actually purchase it. It's a great place to stop by. All right guys, this is the office. We got the shop dog here, Oreo. He's always here being happy and greeting customers. Make sure you bring us some treats, make them happy. All right guys, over here we have the waiting room. You can hang out while you get your vehicle worked on. We got the YouTube channel going. We have some coffee and refreshments for you. Over here on this side, we have the front runner rack with some accessories that you can get attached to it. Check out. And then through this door, you can follow me into the shop. We can check out full wheel campers. All right, guys, we've got the full wheel campers showroom here. You come check out the Fleet model and the Hawk. Different options you got for it. We have the different sidings, the bamboo countertops, and the fabrics that go inside. Over here, we also have a Alu-Cab Kaya on display too. It's a slide-in for a Tacoma. All right, guys, like I said, we got this stuff on display. It's a great opportunity for you to come in and actually look at the products before possibly purchasing. All right, guys, this is the shop area where we make all the magic happen on your vehicles. Get anything installed from bumpers, lights, suspension, wheels, tires. You come drop it off. We'll get it done for you. All right, guys, if you have any questions, give me an email at tyler@ashevillevehicleoutfitters.com, or you can give a shop a call.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or want to stop by, meet Tyler, come check out AVO Jax. Be sure to check us out. It's at 69 Copeland Street in Jacksonville, Florida. You can email us at sales@ashevillevehicleoutfitters.com or give us a call at 844-667-3687. And always guys, if you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.